Okay, so this is going to be a quick basic tutorial on how to create a grid for a Doblin discrimination matrix, but you can use this same technique for designing on a grid for pretty much just about anything. So I'm in Illustrator. I'm going to do File, New, make sure my units are set to inches, and then I can either do 16 by 20 or 20 by 16. It does not really matter. I'm going to do 20 by 16 inches, and I'm going to name it. Okay, so here's my new file. And then I'm going to go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers, or Command R. Then I'm going to go to View, Show Grid, or Command apostrophe. And I've got my grid set up. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to make a square section of this. So if it's 16 by 20, or 20 by 16 in this case, I'm going to make a section of it become 16 by 16. So I'm going to drag from the ruler out a guide to my 4-inch mark. And this box over here is going to be 16 by 16. And then I've got a 4 by 16 strip here for my title, description, etc. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to put a 1-inch border all the way around everything. So I'm going to click on the ruler again, drag out to create a guide. Click here, drag out to create a guide, grab on my ruler, 1-inch border over here, and 1 inch down here. And then between my description and my grid that I'm creating, my matrix over here, I want to have a 1-inch border there as well. So the resulting square here is actually 15 by 15. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my rectangle tool and select a light gray. And I'm going to just create a square that fills up this 15 by 15 area. And then I'm going to go turn it into a matrix. So I go to Object, Path, Split into Grid. Okay, now at this point I'm going to turn Preview on so I can see what's happening. And I'm going to make 9 different squares. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I also want to have some space in between these guys. So I'm going to give it a gutter of 1 inch, and that 1 inch matches the padding space that we have everywhere else. And I'm going to hit OK. So now that basically has left me some room between all these, and it split that one big square into 9 perfectly equal squares with 1 inch padding everywhere. At this point, I'm going to just lock that layer, double click on it, and dim it to 50%. Didn't do anything, but that's okay. And then on my following layer, that's where I'm going to start actually building up with my text and images and everything like that. Okay, thanks for watching.